All right, body sculpt, massager. Got a knob operation, stepless speed, regulation, ergonomic shape for a comfortable grip, and replacement massage head cloth covers. This is what it looks like on the front of the box. This front here just says replaceable massage head cloth cover, and it's the model PL675. Just some photos here on the top. You see them using it on their stomach, their arms, their legs, and lower legs, or I guess their thighs and lower legs. Nothing over here, nothing over here. And the back just has the sticker, Cellulite massager. Let's open this on up and see what we have. Very nice, okay. So user's manual, of course, right on top, so it has directions and all of that. Good, good. Then we've got one cloth head, two cloth heads. Oh, whoa, there's like 5 in here. 3 cloth heads, 4 and 5. 2 orange, 2 blue. There's 2 of each because there's a white one on here, so you get 6 cloth heads. That's pretty awesome. And then lastly, that's it for the box, you get the actual massager. Oh wow, very nice feel. This has some real weight to it. We'll get to the cable length in a moment. We'll see how far that is. But yeah, you do have like a nice grip here and here. Be able to grip that to run it along your arm. Very easy to control, it seems.